This might look familiar to you. It's a Lego block. Standard size Lego block. What I'm going to attempt to do today is to make these out of wood. Like I say, it's a standard size block. Let's see, what do we have here? We got the height, including the nubs, is 450 thousandths. The height of the block is 378 thousandths. The width is 622 thousandths. And the length is 1 inch 252. So I got me some maple that I scrounged from a pallet. 2x4 piece, and we're going to attempt to make some wood Legos. And now we'll get on to the actual CNC machining. Alright, I got me a 2x4 piece of maple that I got from a pallet. And what I'm going to do is I got my stop set up here, and I'm going to slice off across the end grain here. I'm going to slice off 1/2 inch slices. Okay, then I'll go ahead and do some more off camera. Okay, next I remove the burrs off of one side, and then on the other side I measured where the center is on all these pieces. And then we're ready to put them in the CNC. Okay, now next I clamp the part here in the CNC, move the cutter to the center of, well, I marked the center, touched it off, set zeros, and now we're ready to cut. We'll go ahead and start cutting this. This will be the bottom side of the Lego. Okay, now here's the completed bottom. I cut 2 of them. I left a space in the middle. I could have cut 3, but I need, when I cut this in half and I flip them over on a jig, I need some room on the side here to clamp them down. Okay, now we'll test the fit here. This is a standard size 2x4 Lego, and fits right in there, nice and snug. I cut it, I used a 3/32 cutter, and the outside is cut 220 thousandths deep, which is just shy of the 450 thousandths high that the Lego is, including the nubs on top. The base height of the Lego is 376 thousandths. So that'll be brought into size when I have the jig on there to do the top nubs here. Okay, now here it is unclamped. The inside of the pockets are 162 thousandths deep. And just to show you how they fit, nice snug fit. And just to give you an idea of some of the measurements, the outside wall here is 53 thousandths. The wall here on these pockets is 27 thousandths. And it come out pretty good. So now we'll go ahead and we'll run some more of these, and I'll do that off camera. Okay, now I got a batch of bottoms made up, and next thing we'll do is we'll just saw these in half on the line, and then we'll be ready to flip them over and do the top side. But first, it's time to make the jig to put those on to do the top. Now I used the same, one of these same blocks, only I've got it oriented the long side on the Y direction. So we'll go ahead and we'll make the jig. Okay, and here's the jig. Now we can take our bottom and place it on there. Like so. And then we'll clamp that down, and we'll be ready to cut the top. But the first thing I have to do is I'll touch the tool off here, and then I'll raise it up 540 thousandths, and that'll be Z0 on this block, and then it will cut down from there, hopefully leaving 10,000 stock between the top here and the bottom, you know, so it doesn't pop out of there. So we'll set up to do that next, and start cutting away. Okay, we're all set up here. Got the part clamped on the jig, and we're ready to start cutting. Okay, that's done. Now, I wanted it to stay in there, you know, with about 10 thousandths around the sides. But for some reason it went a little bit deep because it come out loose. Yeah, get the little sucker out of there. Okay, and that's the completed block. Try it with this one. Nice snug fit. There's another bottom. Check that. And that's also a nice snug fit. So, it appears that we have success here. Now this should be 450, and we got just over a half an inch. This should be 378, and I'm reading 381. So I can hit both sides here on the sander. I knew these pins would be high. A couple of thou off the bottom here. Bring that down to 378. Actually, we're only 2 thou over. And sand off the top of the pins there a little bit on a belt sander or whatever. Bring those in. But I would say that that is a total success. And there you have it. There's Lego block. Now here's 7 Lego blocks completed. Turned out pretty good. I dusted the sides there with the belt sander, and they fit right together real nice. Thank you. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.